Hey guys, we're live at 10:13 p.m. and we're running a mini for John's Ewoks figure. As seen there, I got 10 spots. Looks like I'm going to copy the list here. What do I got going here? Top 2 win spots in a main. I'm going to paste my 10 spot list in here. I'm going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 12. We're in great shape. Here we go. Good luck, guys. I'm going to roll right through this. Jay and Troy, round 1. Troy and Jay, round 2. Mike and Jay, 3. Mike and Dustin, 4. Mike and Dustin, 5. Mike and Dustin, 6. Mike and Bill, 7. Mike and Dustin, 8. Mike and Dustin again on top for round 9. Jay and Troy, 10. Mike and Bill take round 11, which brings us to the final round, which means our winners are Bill and Troy. Congratulations, guys. Here to make it official, our code, QQIMAT. Bill and Troy are our victors. I'm done. Oh, excuse me. I'm done at 10:15 p.m. There you have it. And here's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.